I still feel her cold hands touching me. I still feel all of her negativity. I still hear in my ear evil whispering. I still hear her saying that I be nothing. But I see this world just ain't big enough for me. Just ain't big enough for me. All the while lonely, opportunities near. It's the only thing keeping me from not being here. I like to stay high, reality is weird. Plus if I think about it, it only brings tears. I'm just another victim, forced to count years. Soon I won't hear, see her touch shit. Don't ever doubt it being true that life is a bitch. I'm knowing that she fiends, so I don't give her the dick. The power of the pussy known to kill fools quick. Deception's her game, political's her name. And to her you ain't shit if a nigga ain't rich. Soon to be forgotten for another, she's a trick. And Pops used to say, to survive we gotta hunt. Reap what we sowin' and never put up a front. Cause this superficial world we living in will take your lunch. Like that bully back in middle school, I'm wishing I had punch. It's crunch time, so the grunt's about to stunt. Life is a bitch, you're damn right, I'm a son. A fucking ear, we're getting consumed by her young. I'ma get her done, cunt better run. She don't want none, she don't want none. She put this pressure on me, now my soul weighs a ton. So that wall got hit, 0 bottles of rum. But she lacks what it takes to leave this nigga in the slums. I still feel her cold hands touching me. I still feel all of her negativity. I still hear in my ear her evil whispering. I still hear her saying that I'd be nothing. But I see this world just ain't big enough for me. Just ain't big enough for me. I still feel her cold hands touching me. I still feel all of her negativity. I still hear in my ear her evil whispering. I still hear her saying that I'd be nothing. But I see this world just ain't big enough for me. Just ain't big enough for me. Fuck the blue and gold, bitch, I got no regrets. Though I never got the check. Unemployment lady said she couldn't help a vet. Cause I smoked a little weed to relieve a little stress. Tell me how I served and ended up a hot mess. But America's God bless when we bullying the rest. In order to succeed, it's conform or be repressed. You niggas don't get it, this life is a movie set. What's funny is you haven't seen the best part yet. And never will, you be playing it out instead. Ignorant and would do anything to get ahead. Well, I'm a real nigga, real niggas break bread. Pour out the red wine, we could toast the hard times. While these dummies stay trapped in their boxes. Moms, if you can't burn paper, you living between the lines. Better yet a lie, and you wonder why you cry. Cause you ain't got freedom, money buys mine. It's the fine print on my decoration to shine. I'm the jury and the judge when this hoodlum stops the grind. Young slime, prime time, I'm ready to break spine. Life is not a game, but I'll beat her in over time. Bet that, bet your bottom dollar that. Money buys me freedom, at least in this world. I still feel her cold hands touching me. I still feel all of her negativity. I still hear in my ear her evil whispering. I still hear her saying that I'd be nothing. But I see this world just ain't big enough for me. Just ain't big enough for me.